I'm sure most of you guys are already gonna see this video on my YouTube channel about Llamas or Lunasat, this beautiful magical holiday. So I went ahead and have all my offerings done. I finished my prayer, guys, and it's time to dig into the food, which is the best part to feast on this holiday. God, guys, I'm so hungry right now. Let's get some of this cracker and this hummus. Some cheese and cracker. A little bit of cucumber. I'm so hungry. It's so good. I love my altar, guys. It's turned out awesome this year. Time to party up. I've got the wine back here. Let's celebrate this holiday. This just looks right out of a Hallmark movie, guys. This drink is so good. I've been so obsessed with the caramel iced macchiatos recently. Time to drink some of this. Hey guys, look at that angel energy. Well, gonna go ahead and do some shopping.
Alright, Eric, drive us.
Okay, let's go, Mason. Just got a hat from In-N-Out, guys. Doesn't really fit, but gonna chow down on some grub. We got the animal style grilled cheese. My jaw's really hurting right now. Couldn't really bite that, but animal style fries. I love In-N-Out so much. It's so yummy. All the goods. And the Coke too. Yum. Guys, a little OOTD. I got on my guest jacket, got on our Coach shirt, some jeans, Coach shoes, and my little Coach backpack, and no sunglasses because we're looking natural today. And yeah, let's get on the day with some shopping. We just went to In-N-Out and had some yummy food. The view's so pretty here, guys. I love all their like scenery and their palm tree. So many cute locations, and this totally reminds me of like Alicia Marie vibes. Hi, you little In-N-Out worker.
Yes.
Here's a tip. Just joking. You're so cute, Mason. You got a little In-N-Out hat on. So you guys already know we gotta get the OOTD clip and look cute with the background and get some pictures for the Instagram, and that's what we're doing. No cool Nikita pussy stunting videos right now because my little sister's recording me, but yeah, gotta be looking good. There's Joey and little shit Kaiba. Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Looks like the ones with Yugi sold out. I got one last time. Little bug and dinosaur guy, and oh, the iconic Marilyn Monroe over here. Be slaying. No Coach backpack is so cute. I can't get over it. And then I saw this little Harry Potter thing. The wand chooses you.
Oh,
and her childhood. That's kind of cool. Back to school shopping with Eric and his mini backpack. In Target, guys. Marina Garcia, let's make some slime, guys. So much different colored glue. Look at the duct tape, guys. Back to the good old days when I did my duct tape wallets and stuff on my YouTube channel. But it's not Duck Brand duct tape. Scotch wasn't it at the time. This is crazy, guys. Erasable ink markers, like futuristic much. That's insane. A marker that's erasable. I wonder if it actually works. Honestly, guys, I don't see the cutest school supplies right now at Target. They must have all sold out, but seems pretty boring. Nothing too cute. Looks like you gotta definitely DIY your stuff if you want it to look cool. Cause I'm not seeing it. Yeah. This looks like the fun crafting aisle part of the back to school stuff, guys. I see little like air dry modeling clay. This would be so good to make puppets for witchcraft and vanquish some demons. And really good magical item, but this just looks so fun, bringing me back to my DIY days. You can like use it as an air marker sprayer. That was so fun when I was little. And I used to love using these twistables too, but this looks like all fun DIY stuff. And some lavender seeds, guys. Totally gonna get these. And okay, this is a little bit cute for like your lockers and stuff. That's some cute stuff. Rocking chair for a baby, more like rocking chair for me. This is some cute home decor, and you get a rock. Like what? This will be perfect to like read your books in. So comfy. This is for little baby Lucifer. Just joking, guys, but look, it's so cute. If you're having a baby, come to Target and get your bedding and stuff. Yes, Target. That's a cool backpack. I live. Mickey Mouse. Cool of us going to Disneyland. I love the TNT tape design so much, guys. Like, that is so cool. But I saw this and I'm like, what? It's camo, but like blue. I kind of like. High Priestess needed some tea, guys. So hot. I got a little Starbucks. And yeah, let's continue the shopping fun. I'm laughing at my sister so much. You guys were roasting and making fun of like everything, like hate watching YouTube videos, but like hating everything in Target right now. It's so funny. But long story short, this is kind of cute. There's like a beauty blender marble thing. Totally like trendy vibes. Looks cool. This book cover looks like my aesthetic, guys. I would love that chalice for like my altar. It looks so beautiful. Trying to be positive vibes, guys, but Target is just not it today. It's just like they don't even have fall stuff up, and it's August. It's like Lamas already, Lunasad, like we're going into fall. No fall stuff, so definitely gonna be hitting up Michael's later and seeing the cute stuff they got in there. But they just have nice stuff. It's just like, you know, seasonal, like all year round stuff that you guys can have in your home. But I want some fall, some fun stuff, and I'm not really seeing it. This pillow does look cute though. I low-key like this for my aesthetic. But I'll back and freak out when I see this like House of Night vibes, but I wish it was silver. But this is my vibe right here. So they have some ginkgo leaves, guys, kind of fall. So a little history on this. This one's like a healing herb. It's really ancient and old and has been around since like the dinosaur times. It's called ginkgo tree, ginkgo leaf, and yeah, it's got some like strong magical ancient healing properties. Got some in my Etsy shop, Mystic Priestess, links down below. And Dollar Tree, guys, I don't really come to this one that much, but they got a little bit of Halloween and fall stuff. Those are kind of cute, like these ones, and the little bats. I kind of like those little witch hats, and then these would be really cute for like your altar and stuff. Got some cute little stuff. Wish these were more silver, guys, but these are still cute for like decor and stuff. But I really don't need it for fall because I already have fall stuff up. But all of these, I saw this little wreath maker. I could make a Halloween wreath. These pumpkins are cute, just not the color I want, but this is cute decor, and only $1. Gotta love Dollar Tree. And then they got some of those like fall foliage leaves and some little scarecrows down there. Halloween time, guys. Let's go ahead and adventure and see what they got at Michael's. In the Halloween aisle at Michael's, guys. And look, they have cute little toads. They're, well, not little, they're huge. They're so big. I want to get one, but I don't know which one yet. And I want to check out more of the store. And there's some snakes. But they got some cool stuff. There's some spiders.
Cute
Cool.
spider.
Yeah, they got some cool stuff, guys. I like those toads a lot. They look awesome. The black cat doesn't look the most real, and I got one, so I'm all set. And all the iconic bone skeletons. I love them. They're so cool. Dragon is so cute, guys. It's a skeleton dragon. I love it. This reminds me of like Harry Potter kind of meets more witchy. Little skeleton with angel wings, guys. Massive spiders. So spiritual people probably like the cute little angels. And oh, this is all the cute stuff right here. Like you can use to make like wreaths. And just add little cute Halloween touches throughout your home with these. Like, oh, look at the candy corn. It looks so yummy. Looks so good. Oh, little witch hats. Ooh, a donut. Cool, Mason. And then look at these. Oh, and they have Halloween. They have Christmas stuff. Look at the little pumpkins. It's so cute. And little witch hats. Love these little magical touches that you can add to your home, guys. They have so much cool stuff, guys. All the Halloween stuff. I can't wait to show you some more and vlog it. But like the little skulls, or big skulls actually. And then they have like the little meditating stuff down here. All the spiritual vibes. Everything's so cool. I like this one, guys. My mom has that one. And then so many cool skeletons. Everything's just so cool for like Halloween. That one's kind of cool. I really like the sign stuff that they have, guys. Some black foliage. Ooh, this pillow's kind of cool. The Curiosity Shop, Rare Objects and Oddities. That one's cool for Halloween. And the palm reading books, little magical books. And little witchy jars. This one looked cool in someone else's vlog. I saw a different version. Then they got meditating skulls up there. Oh my god, this one is even better than the other one I saw. Too bad it's got gold writing. I would want silver. But I love that kind of aesthetic. And where is it at? This one was one of my favorites over here, guys. That one was cool. And they got some crows and this cool typewriter one right here. That one's different. Oh, this is kind of cool. This looks very like Dracula. That looks cool. That's giving me like Dracula vibes right there. And then I bought this last year, but mine looked better last year, guys. And then there's some of these. Little Grim Reaper dude. All the cool magical vibes. Oh, where was the one thing? This fortune sign's actually really cool and more my aesthetic. Love that one. And then I know a lot of witchy people will like this hand, but I don't really care for it. It's like some of the fortune teller stuff, guys. Psychic. The palmistry hand. These are like really cool little psychic vibes. Little witchy potion books. I bought one of these hands like a year ago or two, but mine looked better. The detailing was a little nicer. Little spell book. This one's really cool. I actually really like this sign. All the cute vibes. All the psychic vibes. Oh my god, the mirror I saw that I wanted on someone else's vlog. I totally need to get that. Hey guys. And then a big fortune teller sign that lights up. So cool. And a little pillow. This one. Ooh, the dragon vibes on that is cool. Love all these stuff. This is totally not my aesthetic, but I know other people watch my vlogs too that like different vibe from me. So I'm gonna show you guys some of this stuff. These witches boots are kind of low-key really cute. So there's more of like this whimsical vibe. It's got the like iconic Halloween colors and stuff, guys. All the witches in. That's so cute. So this is more like the traditional Halloween stuff, and this vibe's cool too. It's definitely fun, giving me hocus pocus like vibes and stuff. Yeah, definitely hocus pocus vibes, guys. It's cute in its own way. How funny. It's all a bunch of hocus pocus. That's so cute. Little lanterns, little witch's broom, more signs, cute little figurines. Oh, that's like such a cute little hocus pocus cat. Can't reach, guys, but look at that box. It's so cute. Love it. I don't know if I vlogged this part, guys, but that's so cute from the movie Hocus Pocus. It's so magical with the light on. I love it.
Corner, that desk.
I really like this sign too, guys. It's so cute. Witch parking only. And my brother found this little picture. It looks normal, then evil. Little creepy classic Halloween. Gold's not my aesthetic, guys, but I know there's some people that might like this. It looks more like Hispanic with like the sugar skull, but little cauldron. And little witch's apothecary I bought extract. Oh, and a lot of people like these skulls too, guys. They have this one with all that good stuff on there. The fortune teller. My sister found these cute little potion bottles, guys. I would get them, but I make real ones, and then the bow on top is not my aesthetic, but they're kind of cute. Without the bow, I like it. This one's a cute ball, guys, but I got the real crystal. But it's so cute. That's a creepy moon, guys. Not completely my shape that I like of it, but the bats are so cute. I love these little bats, like hanging from my curtains. This is creepy weird, guys. My sister just showed me there's a mermaid skeleton. Like, what? How weird. This one looks like the Harry Potter snake, guys. Totally giving me that vibe. This wreath reminds me of Athena from Sage Goddess, guys, with the peacocks. And look at these huge birchwood, like, staffs. They look so cool. I'd love those in my room. This aisle's so cute, guys, for just, like, the fall stuff. So many fun options that you guys could get. That's kind of cute, too, guys, for fall, like pumpkin patch vibes. They have the cute, like, Halloween beaker stuff, guys. Like, really neat for Halloween to, like, add that little touch to your home. Could totally make potions in those. And they got, like, the test tubes, but I like the ones that, like, don't have the bottom, that have feet. And look at for all the, like, Halloween party and stuff you could do. Which way to candy. So cute. Little cauldron. This would be fun, like, when you had a party to put all this stuff out. And I'm finding some things. These are the little touches you guys need to make your stuff look boom. So cute. They got little candy corns, little bones. But these right here look really cool. It looks like little tourmaline crystals or space dust. These are the little meditation skulls, guys. I got the big one last year that was praying. Love those. Even just this white foliage, guys, would look so cute on my altar. Like the white vibe and the white pumpkins. Totally want to get these. And look at this one too. That's a nice wreath. You could put like a candle in the middle. Like I would have my goddess Nyx statue shooting out and have like these around it. Looks so cool. A sibling has your back when they're like giving you clout and promo at a freaking craft store. Like I live for Michael's. Bitch, this is my spot. I stand for all the cute Halloween and like seasonal decor and craft supplies to make my DIYs. Like, yes. Just in the art aisle right now, and I just love this little backpack. It's just like so cute to like hold and like have my little money in it and stuff. And why am I not focused? But yeah, learned from my outfit too. But the Halloween stuff, guys, is so cute. It's not all on sale, so I want to get a couple things. And when they are on sale, totally get me some more things that I saw here. But I love what I saw. They have some really cool stuff. I really would love to go like TJ Maxx or Home Goods because I bet they have some awesome stuff over there. But we got a little section going so I can do my little haul video, and I can't wait to do that Halloween haul and decorate my room for Halloween. It is August right now, so I do have my autumnal decor, but I can't wait to switch it up to Halloween in a couple months. Where I'm eating, guys, there's like cars moving, but I got Beyond Taco from Del Taco. I'm gonna try it, fill you guys in later on how it tastes. Avocado taco, fries, and got all the goods with the family. Okay guys, I'm trying the Beyond Meat Taco from Del Taco, and to be honest with you, the meat tastes a little funky. It tastes fake, like not in a good way. The baker's version of this, like their fake meat, tastes way better than this one. Not living for it. Guys, just chilling, had our yummy food, and watching some Yu-Gi-Oh! Watching some Yu-Gi-Oh! Can we also talk about my necklaces, guys? I got this from their Witch's Moon box and this one from their Witch's Bounty box, which is the Aqua Aura Quartz, and they just pair so good together, that like moon energy. I just love it. It's amazing. Definitely check them out down below, guys.